The Fossa cryptoproctopherox is a unique and fascinating mammal native to the island of Madagascar. It belongs to the family Eupleridae, which is related to mongooses and civets, and is the largest carnivore on the island. Fossas are medium-sized carnivores, with males being larger than females. Adult males typically weigh between 6 to 9 kilograms 13 to 20 lbs, while females are slightly smaller. They have a long, slender body, a short muzzle, and relatively short legs. The tail is about as long as their body, aiding in balance. Fossas have a unique anatomy, with highly flexible joints that allow them to twist and turn their bodies with agility. This makes them skilled climbers and hunters in the dense forests of Madagascar. Fossas are both terrestrial and arboreal, spending a significant amount of time in trees. They have semi-retractable claws that help them climb with ease and grasp tree branches securely. Their dental formula reflects their carnivorous diet, with sharp teeth adapted for catching and tearing apart prey. Fossas are largely solitary animals, only coming together for mating purposes. They have large home ranges, and individuals mark their territories with scent markings. Fossas are carnivores with a diverse diet, preying on a variety of animals. Their diet includes lemurs, rodents, birds, reptiles, and even insects. They are known for their ability to hunt and eat prey larger than themselves. Fossas are agile climbers and use their climbing skills to pursue prey in trees. They are also known for their ground hunting, stalking prey on the forest floor. Fossas are primarily nocturnal, hunting and being active during the night. Their excellent night vision aids them in navigating the dense forests and hunting effectively. Fossas are found in a variety of habitats in Madagascar, including rainforests, dry deciduous forests, and montane forests. Deforestation and habitat destruction are significant threats to their survival. Fossas have semi-retractable claws that enable them to climb trees efficiently. This adaptation is crucial for navigating the vertical landscape of Madagascar's forests. The long, bushy tail of the fossa serves as a balancing tool, especially when moving through the treetops. It aids in maintaining stability during rapid movements. The mating season for fossas typically occurs during the austral winter, from June to August. This is when females enter estrus and males become more active in seeking mates. Fossas engage in scent marking to communicate their presence and reproductive status. Males leave scent markings on trees to signal their territory. They also use vocalizations, including distinctive calls, to attract mates and communicate with potential rivals. Courtship involves a series of behaviors, including mutual grooming and scent marking. Males may follow females during this period. Once a female is receptive, copulation occurs, typically in trees or other elevated locations. The gestation period for fossas is around 90 days. Females give birth to 1 to 6 offspring, usually in a tree hollow or other sheltered location. The young are born relatively undeveloped and require significant care from the mother. Female fossas provide intensive maternal care to their offspring. The young are nursed for several months, and the mother teaches them essential skills for survival, including hunting and climbing. Fossas are also of interest to ecotourists visiting Madagascar, contributing to the local economy. However, responsible tourism practices are crucial to ensure the conservation of their habitats.